Let's be honest, Mario Kart is pure chaos. Red shells, banana peels, blue shells at the finish line, and somehow it all just works. But why does it work? How does a game that throws so much at you stay fun instead of frustrating? In this episode, we're going to break down how Mario Kart's art direction isn't just colorful for the sake of fun. It's actually a masterclass in balancing clarity, identity, and pure joy. Mario Kart has always had a toy box feel. Everything is chunky, colorful, and exaggerated. From the carts to the characters to the worlds they race in. It's not trying to look real. It's trying to feel like a theme park with your favorite Nintendo friends strapped into go-karts. This consistency across generations gives this series a unique identity. You can spot a Mario Kart track anywhere, and more importantly, you know it's going to be fun. Every track in Mario Kart is a bite-sized themed experience. A candy world, a haunted mansion, a thunderstorm above a cloud kingdom. Each course tells a story visually, but without any words. And even with this creativity, Nintendo makes sure every track stays playable. That means strong visual contrast for the track edges, readable silhouettes for ramps and hazards, and clear pathways no matter the madness happening around you. Take Rainbow Road. It's iconic, not because it's just colorful. It's because every version keeps the core identity. Outer space wonder, glowing track edges, and just enough shape language to keep it from being a fever dream. Mario Kart has to be readable in a split second, and it is. That's because everything important stands out. Boost pads glow, ramps pop with color, arrows are massive, even item boxes spin in place like a spotlight yelling, "Hit me!" Visual clarity is what makes the chaos fun and not just frustrating. You're rarely confused about what just happened, even if you're furious about that red shell. Even with 24 racers flying around a track, you can always tell who's who. Why? Silhouette design. Mario Kart characters are designed with big, recognizable shapes. Hats, shells, hair, size, even their carts are balanced to match their style. And Nintendo leans into expressive animation. When Donkey Kong gets hit, you feel it. When Toad wins, he throws his whole soul into that cheer. Items in Mario Kart are ridiculous, and that's the point. But they're also designed for maximum legibility. The red shell has a clear lock-on sound. The blue shell rises above the crowd like a predator drone. And bananas spinning gold hazards of doom. Even chaos-based effects like lightning or ink splats are tuned for fun. They impact you, but never completely rob you of control. That's not just gameplay balance, it's visual balance. The sound design in Mario Kart works in harmony with the visuals. That chime when you get an item, it's a dopamine hit. An engine roar when the bullet bill launches. The final lap jingle, pure adrenaline. Mario Kart isn't just a racing game, it's a visual language, tuned for fun, clarity, and identity. And the art direction is what holds all the mayhem together. So next time you're racing through a candy canyon or flying through space on Rainbow Road, remember, every line, every color, every sound was designed to feel fun. And that's the magic of Mario Kart. Hope you enjoyed that episode. See you all next time.